Welcome to the AlphaCars Service Center. Today I've got a quick tech tip for you for servicing your motorcycle chain. As we walk through our shop here, so many exciting things happening, but we've got the Royal Enfield Scram 411 in for some service, and I just want to show the attention to detail that our technician has. Check this out. It may be simple, but it goes a long way. So he's got the bike up on the bike lift, and we have this cool little gadget under here that the rear tire goes on, so you can actually spin the rear tire with the bike in place. And then he has the cardboard template that goes right around the sprocket area, so he can spin the tire, apply the chain wax, which is an excellent product. I actually personally use that as well. And as you spin the tire, you can apply the chain wax, work it onto the chain, give the chain the proper attention it needs, all while not spraying it all over the wheel, the spokes, the hub, even getting it on the brake rotor by accident, even on the tire. Especially that can be a big safety issue if it gets on the side of the tire, because then you'll go and lean on that side and it's going to have some lubricant on there. So this is a great trick you can do at home. You can get the trick little roller here. They're pretty inexpensive. And with the bike on the ground, you get that under the tire with the bike on the side stand. Make your little cardboard template, and then you can have your mess-free chain service and not have to clean up, like I said, the tire, the wheel. Actually, check this out. The wheel is still a little dusty from the bike being ridden, but there's no grease or chain wax or anything on there. So that's just a little tech tip I wanted to share with you, something we do here at AlphaCars. This is some of the, I guess, attention to detail things we always do here, and it's some of the differences you get with using the AlphaCars Service Center versus maybe another place. I've bought brand new motorcycles from other places where brand new, they lube the chain and it's all over the new surface of the rim and spokes and everything. So like I said, thanks for watching this. I hope it helped you out. If it did, leave a like and be sure to subscribe so then you don't miss out on this exciting motoring content.